Unraveling the origins of Madras curry powder, the untold story. Welcome to the captivating story of Madras curry powder, a renowned blend that has delighted taste buds across the globe. Contrary to its name, this unique spice mix has little to do with the city of Madras, now Chennai, but rather owes its origins to the creative marketing of manufacturers. Let's explore this intriguing narrative further. Little is known about its popularity or recognition among Tamils. It was a concoction crafted by the British for promotion in Europe, especially in the UK. It's not widely known or popular in Madras, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, or even in India, much like Indian curry. Both Madras curry powder and Indian curry have gained recognition primarily outside India. Unearthing the origins of Tamil-Portuguese curry powder. While the widely accepted narrative dates Madras curry powder back to the 18th century, its true origins unveil a more intricate tale. In 1747, Hannah Glassey in England published a book with a chicken curry recipe influenced by Madras-based East India Company traders, featuring black pepper. Curry dishes with a black pepper base first appeared in Bengal with the arrival of Tamil chefs accompanied by Robert Clive in 1757. Furthermore, Sarkadeen Muhammad from Bengal, who arrived in the UK in 1786, opened London's first Indian curry house in 1810, still featuring a black pepper-based curry. The narrative unfolds in 1796 when the British seized control of Ceylon, an island previously held by the Dutch. Before the Dutch occupation, the Portuguese, arriving in the early 16th century, introduced a variety of exotic vegetables and chilies to the Tamils there. It was in this region that Tamil-Portuguese curry powder, the earliest recorded curry powder, originated. It is noteworthy that Tamil words such as curry, mulligatawny, congee, mango, and rasam entered the English language during the 16th century, facilitated by Portuguese interactions, predating the establishment of the British East India Company in the 17th century. The birth of Madras curry powder. When the British colonized Tamil regions in Ceylon, traders imitated the Tamil-Portuguese curry powder, resulting in the birth of Madras curry powder in the 18th century, following the takeover of Ceylon Island in 1796. However, it deviated from the original recipe passed down through generations. The significant aspect is that Madras curry powder was introduced in the UK instead of Tamil areas or even Madras, hence its limited recognition and popularity there. The distinct ingredients and flavors of Madras curry powder. Madras curry powder is renowned for its adoption of European palates and may not necessarily represent the original Tamil-Portuguese curry powder, which is why it was not popular in Tamil areas or even in India. This is similar to Indian curry, although it is popular in the UK and elsewhere, it is not known within India. Madras curry powder is marketed in many versions, such as mild, hot, and very hot, which indicates that the manufacturers lack the basic idea of it. The ratio of the ingredients should not be altered to make it available in many versions. Tamil curry powder comes to the market in one version, and it is up to the users to decide how many spoons to add to make the curry they want. Just like adding sugar to tea, the choice of sweetness is up to you, and you won't find options like sweet, mild sweet, very sweet in sugar. The untold story of Tamil-Portuguese curry powder. Tamil curry powder bears immense cultural significance among the Tamils in South Indian and Sri Lankan culinary traditions, embodying the region's rich history and diverse cultural influences. The spice blend encapsulates the essence of Tamil cuisine, known for its bold flavors and aromatic spices. How to incorporate Tamil curry powder into cooking. This versatile spice blend is ideal for curries, stews, marinades, and more. Its robust flavors complement a variety of dishes, adding depth and complexity. In the UK, curry houses often rely on curry paste, a wet mixture that can sometimes lack depth of flavor. Health benefits of Tamil curry powder. Aside from its delicious flavors, Tamil curry powder offers a range of health benefits. The spices used are known for their medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Importantly, it doesn't contain sugar as an ingredient, unlike the curry paste in the market. Where to find authentic Tamil curry powder? To experience the true flavors of Tamil-Portuguese curry powder, seek authentic brands or sources. Opt for organic or fair trade options whenever possible to support sustainable practices. Recipes featuring Tamil curry powder. Explore a variety of dishes, from classic curries to fusion-inspired creations, using Tamil-Portuguese curry powder. Let your culinary creativity flourish. Honoring the legacy of Tamil curry powder. Tamil-Portuguese curry powder is more than just a spice blend, it's a celebration of Tamil culinary heritage. Let its captivating history and vibrant flavors inspire your culinary endeavors, transporting you to the bustling streets of Madras with each delightful bite. Please, like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.